everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's see how to make these beautiful keema cutlets. Now here I've taken 450 grams of chicken mince or keema. You can take any meat like beef or mutton. Then I've washed it very well under running water. Then I've heated about a tablespoon of oil and I've added the chicken to it and I'm going to fry it well till it changes its color. Then I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Now all the measurements of all the ingredients are going to be in the description box below. I've also added some pepper powder, some turmeric or haldi powder, salt, and given all of this a nice mix. Then I'm going to turn off the flame and just add the juice of half a lemon. And then I'm going to transfer this to a mixing bowl and let the mixture come to room temperature. Now I'm going to add some coriander powder, I'm going to add some jeera powder and some bread pieces or slices of bread just broken up into small pieces. Then I'm going to heat about half a tablespoon of oil and fry some green chillies and some onions which have both been cut very fine. We're going to fry this till the onions become translucent, add it to the mixture, add some freshly chopped coriander and 1 egg. Then you can also add some salt to taste and mix the mixture like this. Then we're going to take some breadcrumbs. I'm going to tell you how to make some breadcrumbs at home if you don't have any breadcrumbs. And then you're just going to shape it up into cutlets, or you can even make croquettes. And then you're just going to dip it into the breadcrumbs and shape it up well. Also keep about 2 tablespoons of oil heating in a frying pan to fry these cutlets. Now you can make all the cutlets and store them and fry them whenever you feel like. They stay in your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days, or you can freeze them in your freezer. They stay for about a week and then just thaw them and fry them whenever you require. Now even if you don't have some chicken keema at hand, you can just take some boneless chicken breast and mince it really fine and use it for this recipe too. And then all we have to do is just put it in the oil and fry it on a low to medium flame till they're nice and golden brown and crispy. So this is how they look, and you can make, put them in some pav or some burger breads, or just have them all by themselves, or have them with some plain pulao. They're really very delicious and they're so simple and easy to make. Now to make your breadcrumbs at home, what I did is I had quite a bit of bread slices, the top and the bottom of most of the bread slices that we always retain to make soup cubes or whatever. Just toast them till they become nice and dark brown, and then just put them in your blender and blend them to a very fine powder. You can also put them in a paper bag, in a plastic bag or a paper bag, and just make them nice and fine. Now the other way is, if you have some pav at home also, you can sun dry the pav for about 2 to 3 days, and then you can make the grind it up in a mortar and pestle, or you can also grind them in your blender. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshita's Recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye. Friends, I also have some recipe for the chicken mince potato chops. So if you have some mince remaining, you can make some potato chops. I also have some shark fish or mori fish croquets. Then there is this hara bara kebab recipe that I have, so you can try them out. And I also have this moong burgers. If you have whole green moong at home, you can make these burgers. So go and visit my channel. You will find many recipes over there, easy recipes to make. Thank you for watching.